Hello, my name is Derek Loehner, and I am a Bradley Tech student. This year has gone by in a flash, but we've all worked hard and taken the steps to get to this very day. We all had something motivating us to get to this day. My inspiration came from my family, teachers, and mentors who helped me stand here with my classmates and graduate on time. I learned many new things from my instructors who helped me use what I know to put into real-life experience into the trade. And GPS Ed program, I learned how to be an adult, and I learned how to schedule and budget my money wisely, so I know what I make monthly. This year has not been easy by any means, though. The challenging part of GPS program for me was the MSSC training for quality. I learned many new things for conversion rates into inches to millimeters and even centimeters. And I also had to learn how to use the tools to get to these measurements. For me, this was very hard, and I had to get through, but thanks to the help in the classroom and the workplace, I got it done. For the relationships in this school year, the ones that I will not forget. I had fun with most of the projects, and when it was boring, the instructors put in extra effort to make things interesting. I remember the games that we played and the fun that we had and the projects that we worked on, even when we made a cardboard boat and we raced it on a lake. I remember the places that we went and all the dumb things that we used to argue over. What I really liked most about the GPS program was getting a hands-on work experience in the trade while I was still attending high school. In normal school, we would have just been filling out basic Google Docs for placement like at McDonald's. With GPS, you actually have to think about what would make you a great candidate. GPS also gave me the tools to find more information about my career and ask me the questions that would make me stand out as a good candidate. My mentors have made my career placement in American friction welding a fun and one-of-a-kind hands-on learning experience. I learned many things from this year, but I learned how to learn from my mistakes. The first time I crashed a machine was an experience that I will never forget. I put in the part in the wrong way, and after hearing the horrible noise that it made, I then figured out that it was my mistake that made that happen, and I made sure that I would never make a mistake like that again. And I did this by double-checking everything that I do, and sometimes even triple-checking. And I do this with schoolwork and real work. And with this, I've made great progress in everything that I've been doing. I would like to say thank you to my mom, dad, and grandma, and a special thank you to Jimmy and Scott, and to Pierre and Lucio for all your hard work this past year. I'd like to end this speech by having us appreciate the past and look positively towards the future, and yeah, that's the idea. We're going to cut that, but yeah.